Welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we have an older car. It's a 2000 Plymouth Neon. We're going to be changing the headlight on it because the right side headlight is burned out. May look familiar to you. We did some work on this just recently, actually earlier this morning. So let me bring you up there. I'm going to show you how to do it, and we'll get the job wrapped up and out the door. Okay, the first thing you're going to notice is that the headlight is a little bit tight to get in back in here. You can see where the light is actually situated back in there. What you can do is you can get in here with your hand, and you can just take that cable in the back there, right here. You grab it and you pull it, and if it does not come out, then what you can do is it's tight, but it does come out. I usually take a hook like this, get on the back of the connector, and just hook on it like that, and you pull it, and it comes right out. And we just take this, pull this over and out of the way like that, and then you'll see in the back there's a little ring on here. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a little ring here. You just turn the ring, take this out, you grab the bulb, you rock it back and forth, and you pull the light bulb out. Now, you want to remember how you took it out, because you're going to put it back in the exact same way. We know that that little piece right there was facing up. All right. Now we take the box, open it up. Now, you see how the bulb is facing up? We don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to always grab the bulb by the plastic bottom. Open it. Take it out without touching the glass. You don't want to touch the glass ever, because if you touch the glass, it's going to burn out early and you're going to be kicking yourself. All right, put the bulb back in and you push it in until you feel it lock in place. You take your snap ring that you previously took off. Now you want to remember how it came off. There's only one way it can go back on. If you put it on the wrong way like this, it's not going to tighten. So you're going to go like this. Put it on, turn it, like that. You want to take your plug and reattach your plug. Where you previously took it off. You push it until you hear it snap in. And now if you did your job correctly, you should be able to go around and turn the lights on. And that's it. That's one, and that's the other. All right? Okay, just remember, don't touch that light bulb with your fingers, because if you touch the bulb with your fingers, it's going to burn out prematurely, and you'll be kicking yourself. All right, fairly easy when you know what you're doing. All right, as always, thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, you send me an email. I'll be more than happy to talk to anybody about anything. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.